Hi Glam fan, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. What's behind this palette? Let's see. Ooh, look at that Christmas look. Let me show you how I did it. We're going to start with priming our eye. The full eye, all the way up to the brow. Look how pretty this look is. It's only two colors that I used. A dark and a lighter green. And a little sparkle on the inside. Now we're going to get a packing brush, not a blending brush, and go into this Mean Girls palette. We're going to use the shade Grounded and the shade Shut Up. The shade Shut Up is a really light green. It's just not showing up because of my green screen. So we're going to go right into the eye and pack it on. We're not going to swipe or anything. We're just going to pack. And as you see, I'm stopping right there, just so I know not to go any further. I don't want to go too far up right away. And I don't want to go too far in the inner corner. So I'm still packing it, and I'm stopping right there and looking at the camera to see if I can see any of the dark above my hood. This is a very difficult thing, even still for me to do, but I just keep working with it and I go slow with it. When you get used to it, of course, you're going to be much faster. We're just going to go ahead and blend that out with a clean blending brush, just on the end, and not where you packed it onto the lid. Okay, now we're going to go into the color Shut Up. And we're just going to put that right on the top, blending it in. Now I'm going to go back into that really dark green and continue just building that color up very slowly. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all the things to support ya guy. Alright, now we have a really fluffy blending brush. It's very clean. And we're just going to blend the edges and make them really smoked out. Alright, and when I'm blending it out, I bring it out a little bit. And we're just blending the top, not where you packed it on. You want to hold the brush at the end, not close to the bristles. Right on the end there, to make it of a more smoked look. And again, you can see that I keep going back and packing some more on. I just want it to be like a really nice matte dark green on the lid there. I'm going to go in with a paper towel with just water on it. You can use a makeup wipe if you like. I like to wipe the ends to make them sharp, to get a nice shape in there. Alright, now we're going in with this Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner by Maybelline. Let me tell you, these things stay. And we're just going to use it on the waterline. I just got something in my eye. But anyway, cameraman left this in for you guys. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going in with this little brush and just using the very dark green on the waterline. And I'm deciding to go all the way in because I just want that little smoky look all the way through. I think the green makes my eyes look like this crazy color. It's crazy how makeup colors can change the color of your eyes. Alright, so I'm using my really small brush for the inner corner. I'm going into my other Profusion palette that I've used in other videos, and I'm using the color Awakening. It's like a shimmery white. And we're just going to pack that, swipe that a little bit onto the inner corners. And I bring it up just a tad, you know. Alright, so we're going to use the eyelash curler and the waterproof mascara. This is called Eyeko. So it's Eyeko. London mascara. It's waterproof. It's actually really good. It's kind of thick, so you have to clean it off a little bit, but it is waterproof for sure. And as you see, I'm cleaning it. Is what I have to do, because it is a little clumpy, but it's not clumpy when you put it on the lashes, and it makes my lashes pretty long. Now you always want to put on mascara before your fake lashes so they blend in nice. So they look as one. So I'm going in with the lashes Iani. They're from a dollar store. They're really good. You see how big these are on my eye? You definitely have to cut these down. Now, in another video, I'm going to show you how to properly put on eyelashes. I'm using the Kiss lash glue. This stuff is amazing. You don't have to put on eyeliner because it's already black. So once you put it on, you don't have to wait for it to dry. You just put it on and then put your eyelash on. It's really good. But you have to know how to put the eyelash on pretty quickly, because if you try to take it off, it really sticks. You can't take it off. So we're just going to line the whole lash line with this. I don't go all the way down in the inner corner. And I'm shaking it. Sorry. Alright, well, I guess I missed a step, but I did put the lash on. It's pretty good. I'm going in with my foundation that I always use. And we're just going to go ahead and apply that. If you need to know how to apply basic foundation, I do have another video that you can watch, which is just basic beginner foundation application. So if you're liking this look, drop a comment and let me know. If you have any other suggestions or recommendations on other videos that I should make, I would love to hear them in the comments below. I'm using setting spray to wet my sponge, but usually I use water. But I was just too lazy, to be honest with you. But it works the same. Now I use a little one on my forehead because my eyebrows, and then I got it on my eyebrow. You see how I got that on my eyebrow? But that's alright. I'll get it off. But we're just gonna apply it, blend it as well as you can. And we're gonna go in with CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This is actually pretty good concealer, but I don't like using it on my nose. You'll probably see in the video I kind of take it off, but so we're gonna blend that out on the eyes, right underneath. So I do like a little bit on the inner and then a little bit on the outer, because it's a lot of coverage. You don't need a whole lot of concealer unless you want to look like you have a mask on your face. So I'm using this little teeny spongy. I do not like the concealer on my nose. I don't really do my nose because I wear glasses. But using these little sponges, they work really well in little teeny tiny areas. Now, if you were one of the 10 people that won the drawing a couple months ago, you should have a couple of these little sponges with you. So we're just going to blend that out. Alright, so we're going to go into our e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to use a lighter shade. You can see I'm going to hollow out my cheek to show you. I go below that. I have another video where I show application of this. This is just my new way. To me, it just looks more natural, and it looks more like your face is more skinny and sculpted. But I want to let you guys know that once we hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're almost there, I want to do another multi-giveaway. And I also want to thank everybody for your support and continued support throughout this whole journey of mine on YouTube. Alright, we're going to go into our Milani Eye, Cheek, and Face palette. I'm using that blush. I'm using like the really small brush because all my brushes are dirty. Not for me though. That's what happens when you have kids and let them play with makeup. But this brush actually worked really well. I was surprised. Because I don't want my blush to be like all over my face. Because I have such a bold eye. So this brush actually worked pretty well. How you like it? Alright, I don't know what I just did, but we're going to go into our NYX Glow. Oh man, this is my fave. My favorite highlighter. And please, do not look at my nails. Okay? I'm trying to grow them. They just look terrible. Just don't look at them. Alright, just look at the highlighter. Look how pretty that is. Alright, so I put a little bit too much on the side, but I do use my fingers for this highlighter. I think it just works better. But I put too much, so I just, I just took a sponge to it and blended it out a little bit. Alright, all I'm doing here is just using a really light colored eyebrow pencil. I'm making my freckles. This was actually a really good color to use for freckles, but I think when you can see it soon. I'm like pushing so hard that I'm pushing off my makeup on my forehead. Alright, well I fixed that. I'm gonna go in with this this lippy. It wasn't really coming off right, so I had to check it out a little bit. You have to like, I don't know, warm it up a little bit. But it was coming out pretty smooth. Not too bad. It is a really pretty color, but I have to say it's just not for this look. It's just too pink. Alright, well I had to switch it up, so we're going to use this Milani lip liner and try to do something a little different. So I want to smudge that lip liner out a bit with a brush, just so it's not such a harsh line. All right. So, what am I gonna choose? Well, I chose a LA Color holographic lip gloss. We're gonna go ahead and spray our face, and let's check out this end result. Well, she can jingle my bells. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, share, and touch that bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one, Glam fam.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.